The Ulefone Armor 22, as we know, is one of the best feature-packed rugged devices of 2023, and this device you might be able to get for just $150. So starting from the 18th of September till the 22nd, you might be able to get the Ulefone Armor 22 for just $150. If you wish to participate and stand a chance at getting the Armor 22 for just $150, then make sure to use the links in the video description. So I'll be exploring the top features of the Armor 22 to make you guys realize that the Armor 22 being sold for just $150 is a great deal. So without further ado, let's dig in. So the Armor 22 is a lot slimmer and lighter than the Armor 21. It has a metal frame and rubber corners. The device is designed to be able to withstand harsh conditions and environments. It's a lot more durable than standard devices, which is expected. This device is also IP68 and IP69K rated, which means it is resistant to water, dust, high pressure jets, and shocks. The device has a 6.58-inch Full HD Plus 120Hz display. It has 8GB RAM with support for virtual RAM expansion. It also comes in two variants, a 128GB and a 256GB storage variant. At the back of the phone are two cameras, an infrared light and a flash. The two cameras consist of a 64MP primary sensor, it's a wide angle camera, and a 64MP Nightelf Ultra 2.0 night vision camera. This night vision camera is a much more enhanced night vision camera. The phone ships with the latest Android 13 and is the stock version of Android, so you will not be getting unnecessary ads, bloatware, but instead we'll be getting the latest security updates, the latest features and optimizations. This phone is powered by the Helio G96, an octa-core processor that is known to be very powerful, although it's not as powerful as the Helio G99 or efficient, but it's still one of the best 4G processors out there. The device also packs a 6600 mAh battery and it supports 33 watts fast charging. So other features of this phone includes NFC, dual SIM support, OTG, IR blaster, GPS, and so on. So these are the top features of the Ulefone Armor 22. As you can see, this device is feature packed. Definitely. And like I mentioned earlier, it's going to be sold for just $150. Just 500 pieces will be sold for just $150 starting from the 18th of September till the 22nd. So if you want to get the Armor 22 for just $150, which is a good deal in my opinion, then make sure to use the links in the video description. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.